In this video, we will show you how to install Geolayers 3 in After Effects. If you guys want to get started with Geolayers 3, you can use the links down in the description. First, download Geolayers 3 from the official website or a trusted marketplace like iScripts. Extract the downloaded zip file to access the installation files. Next, open the After Effects installation folder on your computer. Now, navigate to the support files directory inside the After Effects installations folder. Look at the scripts or script/script UI panels folder. Then copy the extracted Geolayers 3 folder into the scripts/script UI panels directory. After that, open After Effects on your computer. Then go to Edit, select Preferences, and click Scripting and Expressions. On Mac OS, go to After Effects, select Preferences, and click Scripting and Expressions. Finally, enable the options Allow scripts to write files and access network to ensure proper functionality. So that's how to install Geolayers 3 in After Effects. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Geolayers 3. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.